GE Aerospace has been providing maintenance, repair and overhaul services at Brisbane Airport since 2005. But with the opening of a state-of-the-art MRO facility in 2022, we inaugurated a new era in Australia's aviation industry. The largest of its kind in Asia Pacific, the Brisbane facility expanded our world-class services in Australia and positioned us to meet the growing needs of local and regional customers. The facility supports commercial and military aircraft and has already serviced more than 600 propeller components and 3,000 avionics products for customers in Asia Pacific and beyond.
We're proud to provide in-region, high-quality repairs on our customers' products. Instead of having to ship their products overseas for maintenance, our customers enjoy local shipping and reduced freight times.
The facility specialises in systems such as avionics, flight management software, electrical systems and Doughty propeller systems. By driving continuous improvement across the facility, we are improving processes and delivering more for our customers. Our impact, however, extends beyond the facility. We are helping build Australia's aviation workforce of the future. Through our apprentice program at the Brisbane facility, we teach students to become aviation component repair technicians. We also proudly sponsor the Aerospace Gateway to Industry Schools program, a Queensland Government initiative that connects students with industry to promote careers in aviation. From training the next generation to delivering enhanced service capabilities, the Brisbane facility reflects GE Aerospace's commitment to Australia's aviation industry. We are GE Aerospace.